Today I am going to perform an experiment which shows that the force exerted by the bar magnet is non-contact force. For this we need a pair of bar magnet, 3 rounded shape pencil. Now place one of the magnet over the pencil. Now bring one end of the other magnet near the end of the magnet placed over the pencil. Make sure that two magnets do not touch each other. Now you will see that the magnet on the pencils move backward. This is actually a repulsion when like poles of the magnet faces each other. Now bring the other end of the magnet near the same end of the magnet placed over the pencil. You will see that the magnet over the pencil moves forward. This is actually attraction between unlike poles of the magnet. This repulsion and attraction between the magnet can be seen as push or pull without being in contact with each other. So the force which is exerted by the one body on another without being in contact with each other is called non-contact force. Thank you and have a nice day.